Welcome to my channel, Essay on Rainy Day. A rainy day is a joyful day. It is a big source of water. On a rainy day, the weather remains very pleasant and cloudy. Children feel very happy on a rainy day. They enjoy playing with paper boats. Mothers make hot snacks and tea. A rainy day is good for irrigation. The fresh scent of rain can also be invigorating and refreshing. The sound of raindrops can be calming and soothing. A rainy day brings trouble for poor people. Heavy rain can be disruptive, causing flooding and property damage. The streets become muddy. A rainbow is seen on a rainy day. People use umbrellas to travel in the rain. Rain is a beautiful gift of Allah. So I love rainy days. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.